Taking a look at these Arteza markers. Now this is their 49 color set. There's 49 of these in there. Lots of different shades and lots of different colors. These really are nice. They're essentially brushes. So we'll zoom in a little bit to the paper there, and you can see that these can give you a wide, they're more than calligraphy markers. You can fill with them, but just like an endless brush, almost like a watercolor brush, you can really get some fine lines, some fine points, and the color is just great. There's not a lot of spill, there's no bleeding, and if you use the sides, you can really get some color onto the paper. We take a look at the end. It's literally a brush tip, so you can really get some interesting effects on paper. So this is the 49 set. They also do a 39 set. We keep them in this pencil box, but 49 is a lot. It really gives you an opportunity to get the colors you're looking for without having to mix colors on the medium. You can just pick a new color each time. Hope this helps.